Welcome back. Today we'll unravel the latest updates surrounding anticipatory bail under the new criminal framework in India, the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita or BNSS of 2023. If you heard about anticipatory bail but found it confusing or thought it only exists in movies, this is the right place to understand it clearly. With recent legislative shifts, the landscape of anticipatory bail has seen some important changes. Anticipatory bail essentially safeguards individuals from arrest, letting them stay out of jail while fighting the case. But the BNSS, which replaces the original Criminal Procedure Code or CrPC of 1973, has introduced critical changes. Some provisions remain similar, but others reflect a new thinking, particularly in the scope of judicial discretion and specific restrictions for heinous crimes. Let's explore what these changes mean for you. Before diving deep, here's a quick summary of what we'll cover. First, what is anticipatory bail and when to apply? 2. Key changes under the BNSS 2023 compared to the old CrPC. 3. Notable restrictions. Cases involving minors and certain crimes. 4. What happens if your anticipatory bail request is denied? 5. Recent case laws and judicial observations. Anticipatory bail allows a person to avoid arrest by approaching the court before the police can take them into custody. Under the new BNSS law, this process remains largely similar to the old section of 438 of the CrPC, but with some important updates. Previously, courts had to consider several factors such as the severity of the accusations or the accused criminal's history before granting anticipatory bail. However, under the new BNSS, courts now enjoy broader discretion with fewer mandatory considerations guiding their decisions. This expansion allows judges to weigh circumstances on a case-by-case basis, giving them greater flexibility in granting or denying bail applications. One of the significant changes under the BNSS concerns gang rape involving minors. The new law prohibits anticipatory bail for those accused of gang rape on women under 18 years old, as compared to the previous threshold of 16 under the CrPC. This provision aims to ensure stricter accountability in serious offences. The Chhattisgarh High Court recently observed that Section 482 of the BNSS broadens judicial discretion. Courts can now impose specific conditions on the accused, such as mandatory appearance for interrogations or restrictions on contacting witnesses when granting anticipatory bail. This ensures that even with bail, investigations are not hampered. A noteworthy shift is the extended police custody beyond 15 days is no longer a valid reason for rejecting anticipatory bail if other conditions are met. Courts now focus more on the fairness of the trial and whether the accused will comply with legal directives rather than technical procedural delays. If your anticipatory bail gets denied, don't lose hope. Here are the next steps you can consider. First, file a revision petition. You can appeal the rejection in a higher court. If a sessions court denies bail, the next step is to move to the High Court, followed by the Supreme Court if needed. 2. Cooperate with the police. It's essential to cooperate with the investigations, as this shows good faith and might increase your chances of getting bail in the future. 3. Apply for regular bail after arrest. If anticipatory bail isn't granted, you can still apply for regular bail once taken into custody. Courts may favorably consider your compliance during the trial process. 4. Get legal counsel. Having a competent lawyer who understands the intricacies of the new BNSS law can make a significant difference in your case. A notable development comes from the Chhattisgarh High Court ruling in September 2024. The court emphasized the broader discretion given to judges under the BNSS. The deletion of strict guidelines under the old CrPC allows courts to focus more on the unique facts of each case. Additionally, the law's restrictions on anticipatory bail in cases of rape involving minors reflects a policy shift towards a stronger protection of vulnerable groups. To recap, here are the key points. First, anticipatory bail offers protection from arrest before an FIR is filed. 2. BNSS provides broader judicial discretion than the previous CrPC, with fewer mandatory considerations for courts. 3. Anticipatory bail is now barred in cases involving gang rape of minors under 18 years old. 4. If rejected, you can appeal to the higher courts or apply for regular bail post-arrest. Thank you for staying till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with someone who might need this information. Stay tuned for more insights on the latest legal updates in India. Take care and bye.